Now get back to our book pages. That the topic is bits and bytes. This is about our classwork. So put today's date 2204 means 22nd April. Bits and bytes. A bit means short for binary digit. Is a single digit of the binary number system. So what do you mean by bits? Bits is a single digit of the binary number system. You can see here mentioned bit and it is a single digit, that 1. Okay. It can hold a single value. You see 1 is a single value, either 0 or 1. It will be 1 or it will be 0. Binary numbers are made of 1 and more bits. Those are binary numbers, and you see binary numbers made of 1 or more bits. Bits means a single number. So 1 or more means more than 1. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 digits. Bit is also the smallest unit of data. So what is bit? Bit is smallest unit of data. It's very important. Bit is smallest unit of data. A group of 8 bits makes a byte. 8 bits equal to byte. So 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Different combination of zeros and ones in a byte are used to represent different characters like A, M, or any numbers 4, 6, any characters question mark, @ and so on. Means it has to be anything, any characters. It will be that alphabet letters, it will be number, or it will be any sign or characters. We say that the amount of data used for a character is 1 byte. A byte is thus a unit of data. And here you have seen the short note about nibble. Half of a byte means 4 bits is called a nibble. And that elaborate same thing. Here the digits are that 0010, 1101. So the single number is bit. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits are together nibble. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits are together 1 byte. Now go for the next page. Large units of data means larger units of data. A byte represents a small amount of data. For example, the characters M and N take up 1 byte of data each. Means M is that holds some data, and 8 also holds some data. The word boat has 4 characters and takes up 4 bytes of data. Means boat, we can understand that boat is a word, but computer can't understand. So we have to convert into that numbers, binary numbers, then computer can understand. A file with many pages of text will have thousands of words and will take up a large number of bytes. Means it's not enough that the small capacity. If there will be that so many data, so many files, so we need a large amount of capacity power. It is useful to use larger units for such data. Some common large units of data are kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. We already known familiar that names. Kilobyte we call that KB, megabyte MB, gigabyte GB and terabyte TB. So the short form is that KB, MB, GB, TB. 1024 bytes means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus like this way. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte, or vice versa, 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. Same thing, 1024 kilobytes equal to 1 megabyte, or vice versa, 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobytes. Next, 1024 megabytes equal to 1 gigabyte, and 1024 gigabytes equals to 1 terabyte.